Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 9th chapter 5 from NCERT book Introduction to Euclid Geometry. First of all, let us understand the meaning of the word geometry here. The word geometry is derived from the Greek words geo meaning earth and metron means to measure. Therefore, geometry means earth measurement here. Now, ancient Egyptians were the first one to study geometry. The knowledge of geometry passed from Egyptians to the Greeks, and many Greek mathematicians worked on geometry. Thales and his pupil Pythagoras were among them. Euclid was the first Greek mathematician who initiated a new way of thinking, the study of geometry. He applied deductive reasoning based upon previous proven results to prove certain geometrical results. Now the geometry of plane figures, which we are going to study in the next few chapters, is also based upon the approach of deductive logic, deductive reasoning. That's why it is, you can say, necessary to study about Euclid geometry first of all. Now first of all, let me tell you, what do you mean by a point, a line and a plane? The definition given by Euclid. Euclid actually defined a point, a line and a plane. Now these are the three basic concepts in geometry here. But the definition given by Euclid are not accepted by the mathematicians. In geometry, a point, a line and a plane are termed as undefined terms. But we can represent them intuitively or explain them with the help of physical models. For example, we have here a point we want to represent here. Now, we can represent a point. A point can be represented by a fine dot made by a sharp pencil or a pen on a sheet of paper. And these dots, these points are represented by capital letters only. Now, next is your physical model of plane. For example, first of all, the surface of a smooth wall, or you can say the surface of a sheet of paper like this. Here we have a sheet of paper. This is also a plane. This is also a sheet of paper. This also you can act as a plane here. Or we can say the surface of a smooth tabletop. As we can say, this is a table. So tabletop, that is act as a plane also. Next is your very important is line. Now, as you can see from the first point, the crease formed while paper folding. Now, when I have this paper and when I am going to fold it, I am getting this, you can say, straight path. This straight path is nothing but a line here. I am going to this fold according to one portion here, and this is nothing but a crease. Crease is known as the straight path, that is act as a line here. Secondly, we can write on here the edge of a ruler. This is a ruler I have here, and edge of a ruler is also act as a line here. Or the edge of a top of table, or the meeting place of two walls of a room. So these are the few examples how can we represent a point, a plane and a line. Now Euclid assumed few properties. These assumptions are actually obvious universal truth. Now these obvious universal truth I am going to tell you in the next video. Thank you.